If you're looking to learn how to use webhooks in teamwork.com, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down how to set up and use webhooks in Teamwork, which is an essential tool for automating workflows and integrating with other apps. Whether you're new to Teamwork or just exploring the webhook feature, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get started. Stay tuned, because I'll also be sharing a special deal for you to try out Teamwork for free, along with some bonuses. So, first things first. What exactly are webhooks and why do you need them in Teamwork? Webhooks are essentially HTTP callbacks that allow you to send real-time data from Teamwork to another app or service. Think of it as a messenger that tells other apps when something happens in your Teamwork account. For example, you can set a webhook to trigger an action whenever a task is completed or when a new project is created. Setting up webhooks in Teamwork is actually pretty straightforward. Head over to the integration section in your Teamwork settings and then look for webhooks. From there, click Add Webhook, and you'll be prompted to provide a URL. This is where you want the data to be sent. That URL could be an endpoint in another system you're using, like Zapier, or even a custom-built server where you want to process the data. One of the great things about webhooks in Teamwork is that you can choose specific events to trigger your webhook. For instance, you can select actions like task updates, project status changes, or even time log entries. This flexibility makes webhooks incredibly powerful for automating and streamlining your processes. Now, when you're setting up your webhook, you'll want to pay attention to the data that gets sent. Teamwork allows you to send different data with each event, such as task names, due dates, and project details. This is especially useful if you're integrating with other systems, like a CRM or time tracking software. You can make sure the right information gets passed between your apps automatically. Once your webhook is set up, you'll want to test it to ensure it's working as expected. Teamwork provides a way to send test payloads to your URL to verify the setup. If something doesn't work as expected, it's always good to check the error logs to troubleshoot the issue. But webhooks aren't just about sending data. They can also help reduce manual work. For example, with a properly configured webhook, you could automatically create tasks in another project management tool or trigger notifications in a Slack channel when a task status changes. This not only saves time, but also improves team communication and workflow. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a developer to use webhooks in Teamwork. The platform's user-friendly interface makes it easy to set up, even for those who are new to this type of integration. But if you're looking to go beyond the basics, there's plenty of flexibility to customize the way data is handled with webhooks. And that can be a real game changer for your business. Before we wrap up, don't forget, Teamwork is offering a completely free trial with exclusive bonuses, and you can get started by clicking the link below. If you want to explore webhooks and all the other powerful features Teamwork has to offer, now's the time to dive in. To summarize, webhooks in teamwork.com can help you automate and streamline your processes, integrate with other apps, and save time. It's a straightforward feature that can make a big difference in how you manage tasks and projects. And remember, if you sign up using the link below, you'll get access to an extended free trial with some special bonuses. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how webhooks can improve your workflow today.